If you can go back in time to any time period and participate in any historical event, what event would you participate in?
I think the one I would participate in is probably... Oh my god, I almost just said something and I realized like this is completely different in another world. I was gonna say, don't clip this out of context. Because in the Philippines, it has a different meaning. Okay? Oh, the KKK? Yes! Guys, I swear! I swear! Please! It's not the same! The KKK is about bringing power to the people again! Like, the government type shit! Type shit! Wait! The Katipunan! The Katipunan organization founded in 1892! You know what I mean?